Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to send a post to someone on Instagram, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Take your Android phone and open the Instagram app. Before proceeding, ensure that you're already logged into your account. Step 2. Once the app is open, scroll through your feed or explore a section to find the post you want to send. Step 3. When you've selected the post, look for the small airplane-shaped icon typically located below the post. Tap on it to begin sharing. Step 4. A menu will appear. Tap on the search bar and type the name of the person you want to share the post with. Step 5. From the search results, select the person's profile. Then tap the send button to share the post with them instantly. Step 6. To confirm that the post was sent, navigate to the message icon in the top right corner of the app. Open the conversation with the person you shared the post with, and you'll see it listed there. And that's it. You're all done. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.